Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady. Our channel offers information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. So today we are going to go on a bathroom tour. Are you ready to go on a bathroom tour? I just want you to see how I revamped it and some of the things that I changed. And I hope you like it. If you do, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. And without further ado, let's get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hello everyone, this is my master bathroom. It is sitting right beside my master closet, and I just want to give you a quick overview of what this space looks like, and then I'll go step by step in terms of how I use it and how it works for me. Start on this side of the wall. This is the left side of the bathroom. We have here a makeup organizer that I DIY'd. Right above that, I did a DIY wall deco, and the decorations are fairly simple, just using some things that I had in my craft area and just put that together, and it looks really great. I'm going to back up so you can get a really good view of it. But basically, that's how it looks in this space, and I think it really adds a nice touch. Also, on this side of the counter, I have a black easel that I kind of blinged out with the faux rhinestone ribbon, and I used this easel to hold my iPad or my phone in the morning when I'm getting dressed. It just serves as a really nice place to have my phone and keep up with the weather and morning news. Now this is my center drawer. I sectioned it off with different shapes of baskets. These are those plastic ones, the sturdy plastic, and I put on top of that a fiberglass sheet. I went to Lowe's and I had them to, gave them the measurements and they cut it out, and so I can use this as a topper too. So my mirror, I'm holding it here. I can use it, do something relative to my makeup. I have makeup sponges in this one, scissors, combs, brushes, little plastic holders for any type of lip balm that I want to use. Of course, lip gloss, hair pins, rubber bands, those types of things I keep here, hair clips and all. And then once I'm done, I just take my mirror, fold it down. If I've gotten any makeup on this fiberglass sheet, I wipe it down and then it's ready to go. I wanted you to see this up close feature on the large mirror. We added some round mirrors that came from Walmart. It came in a pack, and we added these to the mirror to kind of give it a three-dimensional kind of feel, and I think this is a great feature in this space. It's absolutely cool. It's a chair that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I got it because it matched the decor in here. Originally, I had a little stool, but I think the chair works best. I placed in that chair a silver shimmery pillow, and it really adds to the decor. I added a little white ribbon there, and I think it kind of makes the space. Here on top, I have a floral piece that I put together. I got some foliage from Walmart, and then I kind of spray painted the stems that I got from Walmart so that it could kind of give me the light, airy feeling that I wanted in this space. And I created these jars, and if you are interested in how to make these items for almost pennies, please let me know. I did a YouTube video on how to make a cosmetic tools organizer, and these were the items that I did that demonstration on. So I will link that below so you can go and view those videos, or you'll see the link to the video at the end of this video. All right, moving on over, I also have another DIY container that I made from the same containers, free containers that I got from Walmart, and this one is holding my loofahs and my sponges, and I even made a cute top for it, as you can see here, and I did a whole demonstration on how to do this. I'm telling you, these free containers are amazing, and you just kind of create what you want and put it where you need it. I added one of those nice thick bathroom rugs. That's a burgundy rug. All right, we spoke to you about the bath towels, but we're going to move on up and talk about this window dressing. So I have a brown rod holding up this valance, and the valance did not come with the faux rhinestone ribbon. I trimmed it out like that because my bathroom has kind of a bling theme kind of going on in the bathroom, so I wanted to add that bling to that, and the tassels were already attached, and I got that lovely valance from Walmart. Moving on over to the toilets. So starting with this area, this is the area where the toilet is held, and I'm going to start with the top shelf. Originally there was no shelving here when we built the home, but this is a container, a basket that I turned on its side, and it is housing washcloths and bath towels as well as hand towels. Beneath that, I have another shelf, and if you saw my video regarding how to organize your washcloths and bath towels, you will note that these were the hand towels and bath cloths that I was organizing. I put a very inspirational piece of artwork on the wall, and on this same shelf I am holding my bath salts and another washcloth that is held by a crystal napkin holder. So you can repurpose things. They don't always have to serve the purpose that it was designed for. You can think out of the box and get more use out of your items. Right below that, on top of the toilet, I have a plant that I keep in here. I move things around a lot, so I think that this works very well because it's right beside a north-facing window. The shelving I got from Walmart. They were pre-cut and pre-painted. I measured the space to determine the width and depth of the shelves, and I also got the brackets that came along with those shelves. Right beside the toilet, I have a silver tissue holder that attaches to the toilet, and it works perfect in this space. I have a black wastebasket there, and the space is occupied, but it's not overwhelmed. So also I need to mention that this was a pencil drawing of me, and I thought it worked really well in this space. I may change out the matting because it's pink. I may change it out to black or either a red matte, but right now I'm going to leave it the color that it is. So I like this space in this toilet nook. A DIY that I did, it's just a candle holder that's holding foliage that I spray painted, and then I put the faux rhinestone ribbon around and put a red jewel in front of it, and then up above the 5-foot shower there I have the butterflies that are just wall art that I got from Walmart. I really love my bathroom and all of its features. I like how I decorated it. I would not change anything at this time. I think that it serves me well, and if you have any questions about anything, please list those questions, comments, suggestions, and concerns below. I will do a separate video of my under the bathroom counter space because that is a space I was on. So enjoy, and I look forward to your questions and comments below.